it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a treat as a review, the coat of arms from Kingdom Beardco. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we're in for a real treat as I review the coat of arms from Kingdom Beardco. I'm really excited to review this one because let me just start off a little quick story. When I first started my beard journey, I found a scent, lemon and vanilla. I'm not going to talk about the company. Lemon and vanilla when I first started out on my journey. And I really liked that scent and became one of my go-tos and one of my favorites. But as I started using different beard oils from different companies, I found out that the newer ones I got that weren't this scent when I first started out were better quality, the scent lasted longer, and were just overall better feeling beard and did a lot more for my beard. So I didn't use them as much, and I was disappointed at the beginning because, you know, lemon vanilla was one of the first scents that I had, and I really enjoyed that, and it was one of my go-tos. I really liked it. I was wearing it all the time, that scent, but the product to me personally from this company was not good. But that all changed when I got the coat of arms from Kingdom Beardco, and I'm wicked excited that I found something that's a lot better, but very similar to what I had before. So, a little background here. Joel is the owner of Kingdom, and he's an extremely nice guy. He cares about how his customers feel, what they think. Customer service is his priority at Kingdom, and that's awesome. He's got 6 different scents, and like I said, this is the coat of arms. It recently was released. And you want to talk about great pricing? I'll talk about great pricing. So, we got a 1 ounce oil, $10. And I think I saw something where the 1 ounce oils are being discontinued, but if you have a chance to still get them, they're $8. And I got the 1 ounce, but the 2 ounce is $9. So you get a bundle, 1 ounce and a 2 ounce balm for $19. Man, that is a great price point, and that's affordable, and it's not gonna break your bank. So, like I said, I was extremely excited when Joel sent this to me. Because like I told you before, at the beginning of my beard journey, I had a scent that was basically similar to this. Basically the same kind of scent, lemon and vanilla. And it wasn't as good as I thought it was for the beard. And it wasn't top quality like I thought it was. But like I said, this blows that old company out of the water. So, lemon and vanilla. And it's great. You get that warmth from the vanilla and that sweetness from the lemon. It's like a nice warm citrus. And throughout the day, you get I say you get the lemon early, and then you get the vanilla mixed in as the day goes on, which is great. The only thing I would say was, I wish this would last a little bit longer. It lasts about six and a half hours for me. I wish this would last all day, to be honest, because I absolutely love this scent, and it's great. So, I like the logo here, the coat of arms. Look at that, that's awesome. From Kingdom. So, no ingredients on here. He has it on a nice little card. Look at this. He has his own card he sends you. Joel Eck. So the ingredients for the oil, let me read this off here. Organic jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils, which is the lemon and vanilla, which make a great combination. Because let me tell you, the way he mixed this, he mixed it outstanding because nothing overpowers the other and it blends really nicely. I like how he has this here. If you watched my last video, one of the last videos I had, I talked about allergies and samples. He tells you to test for samples. Most companies do, but he says test for allergic reaction. I really appreciate that there, Joel. So, we got the balm here. It's got the same scent. It's not as strong. If you watch any of my other videos, I like a balm that has a strong scent with it, you know, the profiles. And it's not bad. It's a light scent. And when I put it in my beard, it's about a medium hold, which is great. I like it. It's, you know, it does its job, it conditions, it holds, but it's not over holding where it's stiff and I can't run my hand through my beards and feel okay. You know, it's not like over here. It's nice and it holds great. So, nice little logo there, coat of arms still. Now for the ingredients for this, let's see. We got shea butter, beeswax, organic jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blend. It's great. It's a light yellow tint. As you can see, I've been using this quite a bit actually. Before, like in the summertime, I wasn't using too much balms. Lately, I've been using a lot of balm. Not a lot, but I would say the appropriate amount that you would be using for any bearded man. So, like I said, the lemon and vanilla. I'm glad Joel sent this to me because you knocked it out of the park, and you brought back something when I first started my beard journey that I didn't think I was going to find: a lemon and vanilla. I've seen lemon and vanilla and something else, but nothing with this combination. And you knocked it out of the park way better than the other company, which I'm not going to knock that company anymore. I'm not knocking it. It just wasn't as top quality as the products I've had tried since then, and the scent didn't last very long, and the prices here are 10 times better. So this was Matt approved. You need to go head over, get you some coat of arms, and he has 5 other great scents. So head over there, and like I said, this is Matt approved. What it is, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video if you liked it, comment, and please share. We're so close to getting to the giveaway mark. Once I hit 350 subscribers, I'm having a great giveaway, and I just want to give back to all my subscribers, all my followers, and all the support. I appreciate it so much.